focus on the process, not the praise. Not the likes, not the wins, not the race. Don't stress what I can't control. I train my habits, I train my soul. And no shortcuts, no emotional mess. I trust the work, I do my best. The future's built by how I show it. I focus on the process again. Today. When fear talks loud about the end, I bring my focus back to the present. This rep, this breath, this choice right now. That's where power lives, not somehow. Dreams collapse when people wait. The process moves when you act with faith. I don't need guarantees to proceed, I just need discipline to repeat. Focus on the process, that's the key.